Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. And today we have an opportunity from the company Context Travel, and they're looking for a travel fulfillment coordinator. It is a full-time entry-level position. It is fully remote. And since they didn't mention how much you actually make in the particular job post, I did some research, and it says that on the low end it will be $69,000. On average is around $77,000 per year, and on the high end will be $87,000 per year. On the average, the $77,000 of this job. It pays roughly $37 an hour. So Context is mission-driven organization at the intersection of travel and education. For 18 years, Context exclusively ran scholar-led tours in over 60 destinations around the globe, led by MA and PhD level experts that could go beneath the surface, diving deep into art, history, and culture. In March 2020, in response to the pandemic, we pivoted with resounding success. We empower our network of scholars to bring their curated content online to customers in lockdown around the world. Thus was born Context Learning, our digital product line. Led by an all-star leadership team with venture capital backing, Context is now rebuilding its traditional on-the-ground tours business while simultaneously scaling its virtual learning business. We believe we're positioned to offer a product that is unlike any other in the market, real-life experiences complemented by online education, blended into one comprehensive learning experience. So this is an outline of the actual position. The fulfillment coordinator for Context focuses on fulfilling a high-quality tour product for our clients. As a fulfillment coordinator, your primary focus is to fulfill the tour bookings received, from purchasing appropriate and necessary venue tickets to organizing private transfers and assigning the best fitting Context expert to every tour booking. In this role, you will work directly with the fulfillment associate as well as the client experience team and the content team to ensure that any product or venue updates are communicated internally to support our client service teams. As this role requires direct interaction and shared task responsibility with other Context teams as a direct representative of Context to other outside vendors. The role requires a level of professional service skills, communication skills, and the ability to work well with a variety of individuals. Here's an outline of your responsibilities. Tour fulfillment, monitoring open orders to stay on top of order processing, reviewing orders received via website or from the CX team to ensure tour is feasible and client/advisor notes can be accommodated, purchasing the necessary venue tickets when applicable, ordering the necessary transfer services when applicable, making the necessary reservations when applicable, updating order with tickets, transfer service confirmations, etc., assigning appropriate Context expert to each tour, reviewing finalized itinerary to ensure the order is completed and correct, process client payments via the platform when necessary, sending through client documentation for orders, process monthly vendor invoices, client experience support, updating orders with necessary notes and service tasks to the CX team for client follow-up to ensure orders are processed correctly and in a timely manner, alerting the CX team of urgent client follow-up needs to ensure orders are processed correctly and in a timely manner, updating workflows regarding tours when necessary as related to major fulfillment needs, available to the CX team as a source of information regarding the tour fulfillment process, alerts the content team of guide recruitment needs and venue availability challenges. Day to day, you'll need to be able to work in a fast-paced environment and contribute creatively to our growing team, work on projects and initiatives involving colleagues across time zones, functions, and levels, understand our end-to-end process and its impact on the customer service experience, expert experience and internal process scalability, care about what motivates people. We are a people-centric business connecting customers who are amazing experts across the globe. Required qualifications: a passion for traveling and learning about world culture, history, and art, work experience in the cultural sector or travel industry preferred, digital native or strong digital proficiency, preferences for applications with experience in Zendesk, Slack, and Google for Business, Google Sheets, Docs, Forms, Drive, and Gmail. Ability to work efficiently in a fast-paced, international, tech-reliant environment independently as part of a distributed team. The schedule will be full-time, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, with the option for Sunday through Thursday or Tuesday through Saturday. It offers a competitive salary with benefits including health and dental insurance, 401k with competitive matching, unlimited vacation time, and paid time off. It is a remote position with East Coast preferred but not required, and you can join a worldwide collaborative team and work from a growing company in the travel and learning industry. So if you feel like you're the perfect fit for this particular role, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this particular channel. All you have to do to stay on top of it, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.